Hey, welcome to the Wild Jar Collective. I am doing a pantry restock of homemade muffin mix. So to start off with, we are going to need 4 cups of flour, which I already have in my bowl. And then we are going to add in 1.5 cups of flour. And then we are going to add in our baking powder and our baking soda. Hang tight. All right, we are gonna add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And then we are gonna add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we also need in, which I forgot to grab, so hang tight, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. All right, let's get this salt in here. And then that is all of your dry ingredients. So we're gonna go ahead and get this mixed up and get it into a jar. Flavor add-ins, when you're ready to use it, you could do blueberry muffins. You wanna fold in like a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries, maybe a little bit of lemon zest. I typically do chocolate chip, so I fold in about 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. It can be the full size or the minis. I typically use the minis, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Birthday muffins, confetti muffins, you're just gonna add in 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract and 2 tablespoons of rainbow sprinkles. You could do cinnamon streusel, banana nut, all sorts of different flavor options. So let me get this stirred up and into the jar. All right, when you are ready to use your muffin mix, you are gonna go ahead and whisk together 1 egg, a cup of milk or buttermilk, and 1/2 cup of melted butter or oil. And then you're gonna add in your dry mix, which is your muffin mix. Mix it all together, don't over mix it. It might be a little bit lumpy, that's okay. Then go ahead and do any of your flavor add-ins. Divide the batter equally between the muffins. You can do regular muffins, you can do mini muffins. Regular muffins, you're gonna bake at 375 for 18 to 22 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. Same for the mini muffins, except you're gonna bake them for like 10 to 12 minutes until that toothpick comes clean. So, and then just make sure you cool them in a pan for 5 minutes before you transfer them to a rack to finish cooling.